Prada loafers in my possession. You have no idea, honestly, how excited I am today because I have the black pair of the monolith Prada loafers for years now, and the brown ones have been on my radar for the longest time. And finally, they're here, and I have so many different ways I would like to style them. So if you've never seen these loafers, they're gorge, they're preppy, but again, many ways to style them. So I'm gonna be eclectic with it. Okay, we're gonna have some fun. Anywho, I'm working with a company called YupKicks. I have never heard of them before, but I will say they have an awesome selection of shoes. Literally, their options and variety is quite amazing. I'm gonna link all their information down below in the description box if you wanna check them out for yourself. And today we're gonna do a deep dive on these shoes. I'm gonna basically do a authentic review, unboxing. We're gonna check out every angle on the angle of these loafs and have a good time. If you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Feels good to be back in the closet. I'm not gonna lie, I've been away for almost 2 weeks in Mexico, or should I say Mexico? That's what they actually call it down there. That's the proper way. It's not Mexico. I learned that. Anyway, got my Tulum cup going on here, and I'm gonna show you my OT today because honestly, this fit is gonna go perfect with these loafs. So I have on this little, whatever you want to freaking call this, but cool brown belts and some jorts. Yep. That's pretty much it. Also, I'm wearing these glasses I got from the TikTok shop. They're brown. I feel like they're kind of like streetwear. Also, I can see inside, it doesn't like interfere, so why not accessorize, you know what I mean? Also, speaking of accessories, this is what's on the wrist right here. Yep, that's it. Anywho, let me get your shoes out. And we have a Prada box in the house. A Prada box right there in the cardboard. Little sneak preview of the loafs. I'm super excited, you guys. I'm really hoping that these are as beautiful as they look online because, like I said, they are just a dream shoe that I've been wanting for ever. Okay, we have a 𝗏𝗏 Cool, love that. So random. Also a Prada dust bag. Oh, there's 2 of them, 1 for each shoe. Amazing. That's actually kind of amazing because a lot of these companies do not do that. So YupKicks, appreciate. And on the inside, it's like they're wrapped up. Alright, cool. So, are we ready? Take a deep breath. Gotta be smiling. Oh my god. Oh. I love. They are gorgeous. Stop. Okay, all right. I'm gonna collect myself and we're gonna check out every angle on the angle per usual. Prada loafers in this gorgeous cherry chocolate color. I don't know exactly what I call this shade of brown, but it is absolutely dreamy. I'm obsessed. It is just perfection. Now I have these in black, so I already know what to expect. This is literally just a brown version. And let me tell you, I am super excited because they're gonna go with a lot of my wardrobe. So let's kick off this review with the exterior profile right there. The butte, the side profiles, the classic loafer style, very beautiful. It's shiny, okay? It's shiny, whatever you wanna call that type of coating. That's what it is, that classic leather coat of shine. Yeah, I lost myself there. Anyway, it's gorge and it's very simple. There's really not much to it. The inner profile is literally the exact same. There's no branding on either side of these. But where you will catch some branding is on the very front. It says Prada right there, Milano, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. The nose of the shoe is very simple, classic, classy. We live, laugh, love. And they're not a heavy pair of loafers. Surprisingly, like you would look at these and think, oh, they're chunky. They're actually not, which is very surprising. So that's the fronts. There is no penny, so these are not penny loafers. The back does say Prada right there. It's just a little embossing on the rubber part. And I do like how these kind of have a bit of a heel to them. So they're not like a flat, most loafers do, I believe, have a bit of a little little kick to them. The back is quite simple. I mean, they're not an ostentatious pair of loafers. So, I mean, they do have a bit of branding here and there, but it's not like an in-your-face type of like luxury brand shoe. You know what I mean? So we gotta appreciate that. And the bottom of the shoe does have a bit of branding there as well. Does say Prada. That's the bottom. And I will say, just from experience with these type of loafers, they're super comfortable. I would wear cozy socks. Obviously, like, you know, this part right here could definitely give you a blister or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 if you don't wear the correct, you know, socks. I'm saying that from experience. So just make sure you are prepared, all right? So that's, oh, this is the inside of the shoe, by the way. Obviously it says Prada right in there, but I'm ready to try this on. So let's get to it. Just like I thought, they fit like a glove. They fit absolutely amazing. I'm super excited to see how they go with this fit, because this is how I plan on wearing them. I kind of want to incorporate loafers within streetwear and, you know, do that whole urban prep type of aesthetic. That's something I've been doing now for a while, and oh wow, okay, yeah, they are super comfortable. These are thick-ish socks. These are socks I actually wear to the gym. They're Adidas socks, but I just love the color. They are so gorgeous, very comfortable. And again, you want to make sure you're wearing the right type of socks so you're not, you know, catching yourself in a blistery situation. And this is what these buttes look like from down below. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. I am absolutely in love. They are, again, comfortable. They're not bulky. They may look it, but surprisingly, they're not. They're classic. They're classy. They literally can be styled in so many different ways, and hopefully this is giving you an idea of how you can style them without just, you know, button down in a polo. And we have an aerial view of these loafs. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. I literally cannot explain to you how beautiful they are. I hope the camera is doing them justice, because honestly, this brown, they're just so classy and chic, but at the same time, like, look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. And that's what I mean by just like, I'm wearing my sports socks with them. I feel like that's such a cool, fresh take on loafers. That's very like, I don't know, street meets prep. All right, guys, that is a wrap for this YupKicks x Prada experience, and I am mind blown. Okay, these shoes are just, they are everything that I've hoped, dreamed, and admired. I'm super excited to be adding these to my collection. The quality, amazing. Presentation, amazing. 2 dust bags. We got a shoe spoolie. They literally provided us with everything we possibly needed. So, YupKicks, beyond 10 out of 10. Thank you very much for this collaboration. I am super impressed. Do yourself the favor, check them out. Again, all of YupKicks information is going to be listed down below in the description box. And I'm super thrilled to be styling these and adding them to my wardrobe. While you're here, if you're not already and you appreciate fashion and footwear like this, then shoe reviews, give me a follow, subscribe. I would love your company. Click the notification bell, because that's going to notify you when I upload new content. So if you want to stay in touch, that's the best way. Also, my Instagram, yes, it is back, it is active, and it's healthy. At @georgeschirra where you can catch me on Insta. My TikTok is down below as well, and all my social media platforms. So if you want a one-click follow, that's where to go. Somebody's beeping outside, so that is my cue to bounce. All right, guys, until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.